Hey guys, let's unbox my Boxycharm and Ipsy glam bag. This is so exciting. This is my first month getting this box, and if you guys haven't heard, Ipsy had acquired Boxycharm, so now you have even better access to beauty products. If you have already subscribed to Ipsy or Boxycharm and you are getting the base box for Boxycharm, you are still going to be paying $28 a month for 5 full-sized items. And if you had signed up for the extra perks, you will be getting that as well. Even better. And if you have been subscribed to Ipsy Glam Bag, it will be $13 a month, and you are going to be getting the 5 items plus the bag. And if you signed up for extra perks, you will be getting that as well. And if you've been thinking of signing up, there's no better time than now, because you have these 2 amazing brands that are merged in together and now have access to these beauty products only for you. So go ahead and sign up and let me know what you think. And if you've gotten your box already, let me know what your favorite is for this month. Talk to you soon. Bye.